Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look and taste the Selfridges selection traditional Italian Pandoro. So let's just take a look around the outside of the packaging. So in this green and red festive packaging is a loaf of the Selfridges selection traditional Italian Pandoro. And just taking a look at the details of the packaging. And of course, on the underside of the base as well. And taking a look at the hang tag that's attached to the red ribbon of this Selfridges selection traditional Italian Pandoro. Let's open it up and take a look at the details that's on the inside of it. So let me flip it right around so you can see the details on the hang tag more clearly. So just some information about this classic Pandoro or traditional Italian Pandoro from Verona, Italy. And on the other tag, you can see an image of the Pandoro as well as other details pertaining to it. And on the reverse side, there are further product details with an ingredients list as well as nutritional information. Okay, now let's go ahead and open it up by undoing the red ribbon and just sliding the hang tags off and just setting them on the left hand side of the tabletop as we continue to unwrap this 1 kilogram loaf of traditional Italian Pandoro. And at this point, we're just tearing the packaging open. And unwrapping the box. And right now, I'm just going to lift the card box off. So giving you a look at the underside of the box. And of course we can set the box to the side, just setting it on my side. And instantly I can smell the vanilla essence that's coming from this loaf of Pandoro. And you can see, of course, it's in a clear plastic bag packaging. And it comes with a sachet of icing sugar. So giving you a look at this packet of icing sugar. Or zucchero impalpabile. And to give you some sense of its size as well, just resting that sachet or packet in my hand. And of course the loaf as well, resting it in my hand or in my palm. And giving you an all-round look. So just rotating it around so you can see the details as it is in its clear plastic packaging. Okay, so let's go ahead and undo the white wire tie here. And just setting that to the side. And now we can open the packet up. But of course, just making some rearrangements to the background right there so nothing is obstructed. So just sliding the clear plastic bag packaging off, so you have a much better look at the loaf of Pandoro. So giving you a look top down at the Pandoro, and of course its sides as well, so you can see that 8 pointed sides of this loaf of Selfridges selection traditional Italian Pandoro. And of course giving you a look at the underside or the base as well, so you can see the colouring right there, which is a much darker brown than the top side and sides of the Pandoro. So giving you a much closer in look at its details right there. So you can see the texture of the Pandoro up close. Okay, so just setting that big loaf of Pandoro down and spreading the outer wrapping paper out as we bring the sachet of icing sugar back in frame, and of course let's go ahead and open it up, and you can see the very fine white icing sugar just spilling out of the packet ever so slightly, but giving you a look directly inside of it as well, so you can see the details of this sachet of icing sugar. Now let's go ahead and pour it over the top of the Pandoro. So here we go. So making it a snowy white peak of this 1 kilogram mountain of Pandoro. Okay, so that's the packet emptied out over the top of this classic Pandoro. Okay, we can set that down and to the side on the right. So giving you a nice clear view of this Selfridges selection traditional Italian Pandoro 1 kilogram. And now taking a much closer in look once again, I'm going to bring it up with the plastic bag packaging so my hands don't get too messy as I give you this close-up look at the icing sugar poured over or dusted over this loaf of Pandoro. You can see right round this alpine looking snowy peaked with icing sugar of Pandoro. Now let's go ahead and peel a piece off and giving you a much closer in look at that detail right there with that light dusting of icing sugar. So you can see the fluffiness of the loaf or piece of Pandoro which I've just peeled off. It is very light and very soft, and you can see it has attracted a fruit fly. I'm just going to peel that contact piece off and give you another look right there. Okay, and now let's go ahead and taste it. It's incredibly soft and light as well. So let's peel off a larger piece with more icing sugar and have another taste. Okay, so you can see this piece much larger right here, and let's taste it. So it does have a very soft texture to it, very light as well, and does have that melt in the mouth experience. And in terms of flavor, it is really subtle, even with the icing sugar on it. Very, very smooth and subtle tasting with that vanilla scent or aroma. Let's have one last piece here. And once again, a delightful and pleasant tasting experience. So that's the Selfridges selection traditional Italian Pandoro. Thanks for watching and happy eating!